Hello, my friends. This is Agent of Laughter, Ramne Smiley. Yesterday, we published the first Agent of Laughter podcast, episode 1, with Josh Perry from Hidden Entrepreneur Podcast and iHeartRadio, my good friend. And we had so much fun on the show. That was my first interview with my Agent of Laughter podcast, and please go check it out. We had so much fun on the show, and every week I will have more shows for you guys, and please support my channel. Thank you very much. I love you all.